In the past few months, this Faceless YouTube channel has earned over $16,000 by uploading simple motivational videos. If we take a closer look, this channel was started just 11 months ago, and its second video garnered over 1.7 million views. And the channel in total has amassed over 4 million views. This is simply astounding. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can start your own YouTube automation channel using this method. I know what you're probably thinking. There are already a few motivational and Stoic tutorials on YouTube. The problem is that these so-called automation experts are not transparent with you. Nobody shows you a real step-by-step process to create your first YouTube business. Instead, these so-called experts are just focused on their own views. However, now you are on Digital Wealth Blueprint channel, and I go in depth from start to finish. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, you will have all the knowledge needed to start your own YouTube automation business. No cap. We'll go through the entire process, from setting up the channel and designing logos to writing scripts and, of course, creating our first video together. By the end of this video, you'll become a YouTube automation pro. To prove it, here's a quick clip of a video I made in just 15 minutes, which turned out even better than the one Stoic Bond uploaded that has over 1 million views.
Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive. Breathe, think, to enjoy, to love."
There are actually 5 parts to creating an actual video, but I'm also going to reveal one last tip at the end of the video. This tip will allow you to actually make money from running such a channel. That's what you're here for, right? Today is going to be a big one, guys, so get comfortable. For your convenience, I will add a Google Doc in the description with the step-by-step blueprint that you can follow along. All the links will be there as well. To start off, we obviously need a channel and branding for it. So go over to your YouTube studio and create a channel. Just in case you already know how to create a channel and a logo, feel free to use the timestamps below to navigate to the next step. For now, on the right side, hit your profile icon. Now hit switch account, and all the way at the bottom, hit view all channels. Now hit create a channel, just like that. Choose a name for the channel. I already went to ChatGPT and asked it to provide me with some Stoic related name ideas. Feel free to copy this prompt to generate your own ideas. Now pick the name that you like and simply copy it. Paste it into your name field and create an according username as well. Next, tell ChatGPT what name you chose and ask it for a short channel description that is well organized and has emojis for extra engagement. Once it's done, paste it into your bio, and now we are ready to create our logo. To create a logo, we will need an image editor of your choice and an AI image generator. I will use Fotor.com and Canva. So first, let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a design idea for the logo. Once it's done, ask it to provide you with a text prompt to generate the images that you can paste into an image generator. Make sure to additionally tell it that it's a channel about stoicism and wisdom, and that the overall theme should be black and white. You also want a Stoic philosopher sculpture shown on your logo. Now head over to Fotor.com and click on image generation on the left. In the image dimension section, select 1 by 1 since that's YouTube's logo format. I will choose digital art since it's one of my favorites. Now just paste your logo prompt from ChatGPT and choose the number of results you want for this prompt and hit generate. Boom, our logo is done. If you are facing issues using Fotor.com, you can just use Leonardo AI. The process is almost the same. The reason I'm using Fotor.com is because I found their image generation somehow better than Leonardo AI. Now just download the one you like. Now go back to the YouTube studio and simply upload your logo. Okay, we are finally ready to move on to the video creation process. So guys, if I were just one of these gurus, I'd tell you to go to ChatGPT and generate the script there. You see, ChatGPT is a great tool for many purposes, but it's quite terrible at script writing and gives you generic scripts that no one listens to. However, there is still a way to use ChatGPT in this case, but we'll get back to it later. This is where one of my secret weapons comes into play. Dub Studio. It's an all-in-one AI tool that has many purposes and use cases. Let's do everything in order. There are 2 ultimate ways to generate a viral script using this tool. The link to Dub Studio will be in the description, as well as the Google Doc. The first way is, once you create an account, you will land on the homepage. Click on text and choose AI writing. Now simply type / and choose YouTube and then video script. Unlike ChatGPT, this feature can produce scripts that genuinely go viral and sound human written. Now simply type in write a script for a video called Top 10 Rules of Stoicism. Within seconds, you have a great script ready to go. You can then edit any parts of the script you desire. For example, you can make sections longer, shorter, change the tone, or simplify parts of the language. These edits allow me to make scripts that sound as human as possible, which in turn gave me everything I needed to go viral. However, there is another, darker, and unethical way to generate a viral script. As I mentioned earlier, we can combine two tools, ChatGPT and DupDub Studio. And now it's about to get dirty. Generally speaking, the easiest thing to do is to use scripts that have already proven to go viral. Let's go to Stoic, the channel I showed at the beginning of the video. Now go to the video section and sort the videos by popularity. Right-click on their most popular video and copy the link. Now let's go to Tactic.io and paste the video URL and click transcript. This tool is free. Just download your script and head over to ChatGPT. Let's write the following prompt and paste the script. The reason I said the script is mine is that ChatGPT won't work with the script if you straight up tell it that it belongs to someone else. And here's the thing, guys. I am sure that the author of the video himself just copied the script from Wikipedia or something like that, so I don't see an issue. Enter this prompt along with this transcript and you will have a clean script of the video. Either way, whatever method you prefer, just giving you ideas here. I will personally copy the paraphrased script from ChatGPT and we are ready to move on to the next step. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment so we can push the algorithm. All right, here comes the voiceover. Let's go back to DupDub Studio's homepage and head to the audio section. Simply paste our script. I sifted through hundreds of AI voiceovers available. Each one is ultra realistic and perfect for our purpose. I think this voice, Albie, fits our purpose and sounds quite close to the one Stoic uses. Now, click on More Voiceovers and choose Friendly or Hopeful as the narration style. Once you configure the settings, hit Export and choose the MP3 audio format. Before we move on to creating visuals, I want to share another cool and useful feature that DupDub Studio offers, which not everybody knows about. You can use it to your advantage. On the homepage, you can click on voice cloning and literally clone your own voice by simply uploading a sample file. That way, AI will do all the work for you, but it will sound like you. This is absolutely crazy. Another cool tool that DupDub Studio offers is talking avatars. You could take advantage of this feature and create videos similar to mine, or just use this avatar for any other purpose without having to use a camera at all. Before moving forward, it's worth mentioning that DupDub Studio has its own Discord server, complete with a support team. If you have any questions about using the product, feel free to reach out to them. All right, now let's create our visuals. First, let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to provide us with some visuals for the story. To be exact, let's write a prompt that requires it to generate 10 text prompts for Leonardo AI. These prompts should use black and white colors featuring famous Stoic writers in the form of sculptures that are located in the middle of the picture. Now let's go to Leonardo AI of Fotor.com. To use Leonardo AI, simply create an account. The link will be in the description. On a free account, they allocate 150 free credits per day, which is more than enough for our purpose. So now just go to image generation. Choose the photo real model. Next, go to ChatGPT and paste the first prompt. At the end of the prompt, type in the additional prompt of hyper-realistic because I think it really helps to make these images look super realistic. Now hit generate. Now repeat this process for all prompts and generate all the images through Leonardo AI. Let's bring these pictures to life and elevate our video. We'll use Leonardo's built-in animation tool for this. Go to your personal feed, click on the image, and you'll see a button that adds motion. Simply click it, adjust the motion to around 3 to 5, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have an animated image. This is amazing. Just a few years ago, this kind of work required a professional animator and could take hours to finish. But now, with these AI tools, we can animate pictures, write scripts, and create voiceovers all in a matter of seconds. Repeat this process with all your images and download. You can buy Leonardo AI to remove the watermark from the video, but for the sake of this video, I am going to use the free version of Leonardo AI. After downloading the video, we are going to remove the watermark from the video. Just go to onlinevideocutter.com/remove-logo and upload your video. Now select the area which you want to remove and click apply. Then click on Save and Export Video. You can also use Fotor.com to remove the watermark from the video. Just like that, our B-roll footage is complete. Now we've got the script and voiceover, thanks to DupDub, and we used GPT to generate image prompts for Leonardo. If something still feels missing, it's probably because we haven't added any music yet. To find a high-quality, copyright-free track that you can use on YouTube, go to a website called Pixabay. Search for keywords like ancient or mysterious, and you'll get plenty of options. I found a track that fits perfectly with this video's theme, so go ahead and download the one you like. Now that you have them all, the last thing to do is make the video. To make our videos, today I am going to use CapCut, but there are a lot of other alternatives out there that you can use. Now I'm going to open CapCut to show you my step-by-step process on how I put it together. Click on Import and bring the voiceover into CapCut. Import your music, which you downloaded from Pixabay, and then import all the videos you created. Set the video resolution to 16:9. First, you need to drag your videos to the timeline one by one and set them accordingly. After that, drag your voiceover to the timeline and remove all the pauses from the voice. It is very important to remove the pauses from the voice to keep your audience engaged. Once you are done with the pauses, we are going to apply the transition. Go to the Transition tab and choose Black Fade, which will be suitable for the video. Adjust the settings and click Apply to All. Then, go to the Effects tab and choose the Noise 2 effect and stretch it to the whole video area. Now go to the Adjustment tab and color grade your video. Increase a little bit of saturation and vignette and stretch the adjustment to the whole video area. After that, go to the Effects tab and search for Black Forest, then stretch that filter to the whole video area. Now select the videos, adjustment, effects, and filter, but not the voiceover. Right-click and click on Create Compound Clip. Now, copy and paste this clip on the entire timeline. After that, bring your music to the timeline, adjust the volume, and copy-paste the music to the entire timeline. Apply the same black fade transition between the clips. Now we are going to generate captions. Go to Captions and click Generate. Now choose your template, font, and font size. Now it's time to export the video. Just click on Export, name your video, check the settings, and click Export. Here is the final preview of our Stoic video.
Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive. Breathe, think, to enjoy, to love." In light of this wisdom, how can we shape our mornings to reflect this Stoic gratitude?
As you can see, it turned out crazy good. Now that we have a complete video, it's time to upload it. Go back to your YouTube studio and click on Upload Video. Now here is another great tool that will help us with great SEO to rank our video. Go to VidIQ and click on AI Coach. Now provide the Stoic Bond video title and ask it to suggest a similar title for your video. Copy the one you like to your YouTube channel. Next, ask the VidIQ AI Coach to provide you with a video description for the same video, complete with emojis. After that, go to this website, youtuberanker.com/YouTube tag extractor, and provide the Stoic Bond video link so it can extract the tags from that video. Copy these tags and replace a few to make them your own. Then, copy these tags to your YouTube uploading dashboard. Now, we are going to design a thumbnail for the video using Canva. First, go to Leonardo AI and download an image you like the most. Then, go to Canva, search for YouTube thumbnail, and choose any template. Delete the previous one and upload your own image. Remove the background of the image and choose a darker color for the background. Next, search for golden glow in the elements. Choose the one you like and paste it behind the image using the layer or position option. Adjust the image and glow to make room for text. Now, add text and choose a color similar to the glow. Make it more visible, and after completing the design, download your thumbnail. Finally, head back to the YouTube uploading dashboard. As you know, you need to verify your YouTube channel before you upload your thumbnail, so make sure to do that. Now, our video uploading is complete. Hit the Publish button, and within a few seconds, it will be available for everyone to watch. In order to start gaining traction on this channel, you have to be consistent and upload as frequently as possible from now on by following this exact process every time. To wrap things up before diving into the business side, we utilize DubDub to generate the script and also for the voiceover. For visuals, we turned to Leonardo AI, while CapCut handled the editing, Canva took care of the designs, and ChatGPT was used occasionally throughout. As always, you'll find all the helpful links in the description, along with a dedicated Google Doc. Now, let's discuss how to make money from this channel. There are several strategies. First and foremost, we can reach the required 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours to get monetized after just a few uploads. Here's the thing, since these videos are lengthy and our target audience is composed of intelligent adults, we'll hit those requirements quickly. The watch hours will accumulate rapidly because of the video's length. Naturally, the more watch hours you accumulate, the more YouTube pays you. It's just how the system works. Additionally, the RPM will be exceptionally high due to our adult audience. But that's not all. Another obvious revenue stream is selling merchandise branded with your logo, whether digital or physical print-on-demand products. For the philosophy enthusiasts who are really into this content, you can take some of those AI-generated images, put them on t-shirts, mugs, whatever you can think of, and link it in the pinned comments of your video. Setting up a shop like this with AI tools is surprisingly simple. With millions of views, there's a good chance that a few viewers will be super fans, fall in love with the AI-generated designs, and buy your merch. I believe the odds are in your favor. The third strategy is affiliate marketing. You could promote other products, such as Stoic and philosophical books from Amazon, and similar items. Honestly, The possibilities are endless. Just let your creativity flow. This has been proven to work. And in my experience, it can turn a channel into a passive income business within a few months. So there you have it, guys. You are now equipped with all the knowledge you need to start your own faceless YouTube automation channel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it valuable. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help out. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to use the Google Doc below for a detailed step-by-step guide. And I'll see you in the next one.